In this quick video, I'll show you how to create Binance P2P merchant account step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, go to trade here and then click P2P. And then click the P2P user center here. Click become a merchant. So in order to become a P2P merchant, you will need to apply. So you must need to complete all the requirements here. So the first requirement is to complete the SMS and email authentication. The second requirement is to complete advanced identity verification. And lastly, the third requirement is to have a minimum amount of 1000 BUSD in your funding wallet. So once you have completed all the requirements here, click apply now and wait for the transaction and wait for the Binance team to reach you, because it will take a few business days to check if you are qualified to become a P2P merchant. And if you have any questions about how to create Binance P2P merchant account, leave a comment below.